In this video, I'll show you how to request and capture e-signatures in PandaDoc step by step so you can send documents for signing quickly and efficiently. Start by opening your document in the editor. Then from the right panel, drag and drop the signature field onto the correct place in your document. Make sure each field is assigned to the right recipient, especially if multiple people need to sign. You can also add text, date, or checkbox fields to make the process clearer and more complete. Once everything is set, click Send in the top right and choose whether to email the document directly or share a link. Recipients can then sign by typing, drawing, or uploading their signature. Always review field placement and recipient details to avoid errors and delays. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.